What's going on, Bistro family? Now, this dish right here is special to my heart. We took a trip to Charleston, South Carolina, and in spirit, we were there creating this wonderful dish that's part of the homeland or the home front. Now, I don't know if you guys watch Hound the Hog, the documentary on Netflix, but this dish was inspired by that. So, as we take this journey together, I just want you to keep that in mind. But thank you for checking out this trailer, man. Low Country Shrimp and Grits, or Charleston Shrimp and Grits, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a trip to Charleston, South Carolina, and see where food really stemmed from, the Mecca, and that's exactly what this dish was inspired from. So like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Low Country Shrimp and Grits. I'll see you soon.